Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Evening tea time snacks are always everyone's favorite. So today I'm going to share a wonderful crispy bonda recipe. These are Nellore style bondas and you can make these very easily with idli dosa batter that you have at home. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, first I'm going to prepare the spicy chutney that goes with the bondas. For making this, to a mixer jar, add 7 red chillies. I have soaked these red chillies in water for some time. Adding 1 big onion, roughly chopped, 4 cloves of garlic, 4 to 5 small bits of tamarind, 1 teaspoon of rock salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and grind without adding any water. The spicy kara chutney is ready. Let's temper the chutney now. To the tempering pan, add 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds and fry evenly. Once the mustard seed starts splattering, add the fresh curry leaves and roast it. Then add the chutney and saute for about a minute. Switch off the stove and transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. For making the Nellore Bondas, we can use the regular idli dosa batter that we have at home. I have some homemade dosa batter I have taken in a bowl. To this, add 2 big onions finely chopped. Add a quarter cup of Chana Dal, soaked in water for about an hour. Add the soaked Chana Dal, this is optional. Add 3 green chillies finely chopped. Add finely chopped curry leaves and coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon salt and mix everything well. Now the batter is ready. Let's start making the bondas. To a kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying, and once the oil is hot, we can start making the bondas. So you can see the moment I just add a drop of the batter, it will instantly float up, and this is an indication that the oil is nice and hot. Now take a little batter and drop gently into the hot oil. Do not overcrowd the kadai. Make sure you have a little bit of space to flip the bondas, and they also cook evenly. Keep the flame on medium. Gently keep flipping the bondas at intervals. Once the bondas have come to a lovely rich color, remove them from the hot oil and you can serve them immediately. I'm serving these Nellore Bondas with this nice spicy chutney and coconut chutney. These bondas make for a perfect evening time snack and they are best enjoyed when it's served nice and hot. Well, you can see I've made a plate full of these lovely bondas. They're super crispy and I can't wait to try them. Oh my god, see how crunchy they are? Just too tasty. The combination of these bondas along with that nice spicy chutney is just fabulous. I'm really enjoying this. So if you're having a bunch of friends or guests or relatives coming over and you want to treat them with something really nice and spicy and hot, this is the recipe to go for. So you can easily make it along with that nice spicy chutney. That's the best combination. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. When I take this and I run away. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.